Pahiram ng pusa, magte-terrorize lang kami ng kalaban. Shhh. Ay, putang ina mo. Ay, putang ina ko. Eh, dami oh. Tumbukan, tumbukan, tumbukan. Time life set! Putang ina! Okay. Rule number 1 pulet. Ang sinabi ko kay Doji. Hindi ka dapat naniniwala sa kakampi.
Almost to heal, please. Tangin na ito.
May kanon.
Uy, salamat. I will clean up. Uy, the man who can move. Uy,
Dumbass. Nagpas siya doon naman. Ano pa pang cooldown item?
Cosmic Charm.
Maliit lance.
Bili ka balik dance. Tsaka may pukpok sa ulo mo.
Ay.
Burst kayong isa, sasapian ko. Aray, ang ina naman eh.
Sorry. Ano ba to kadami?
Magaling-galing ka pala.
Tingnan mo sa... Ay,
Reset,
naka-cooldown.
reset.
Wait lang, naka-cooldown yung W ko.
Ay, na, tagal na ako.
O sige, wag na.
Hindi. Come here.
Ah, Yasuo.
Meron ako wet food. Meron akong ipis dito.
Back off.
Wala nang ult yun.
Hit pa ko.
Josh, you killed her!
I thought ginamit niya yung...
Oh my god. I fucking died.
This way.
Oh, take it!
Don't.
Tama. Never listen.
Guys, look at this.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Even without the
Tanga, anong re-reflect mo? Ako? Ano yun? Ikaw yung mag-charge papunta sa akin? Gago ka ba? Recall! Who's
And
Recall?
Get out!
Recall.
Oh, Josh!
Naglakad ako ng gago.
Ayan, kayong dalawa na lang ni Paulette yan.
Motherfucker!
We have the high ground, Anakin.
Ay, having a great time!
And then walk off.
Bitch, move!
Alright, we're all here yan.
I'm ready.
We're good to start. Kala ko ba sinabi mo kanina, naalala mo, ba't di ka nag-Aatrox? Naka-Aatrox ka na yun.
What is this? What? Why? China.
Doesn't even sound remotely like Trump, bro.
Oh my god.
We are Aatrox.
Pala nananahimik yung buho ko.
Welcome to Aatrox.
Dana, kawawa naman si Josh. Pinapagalitan. Dana.
He's just like me.
Dana, kawawa ka naman. Bobo ka kasi.
Sumabay ka pa eh, no? Pinapagalitan na lang yung tao. Pangina talaga nito. Ako din. Walang flash yan!
Mind games.
Tama pag natalo ka dyan, bobo ka na.
Oh shit.
Eman? Eman? Eman, what? What was that
that
insane
shows how
move?
much trust how much trust I have in your protecting, you know.
What protecting? Nasa base tayo.
This is not me. Ah, hindi, no, never mind. I don't have the attack speed room. Oh,
Oh, nag-TP siya. Okay.
I'm sorry, Josh.
Wala siya makuha dito.
swerte na to.
Seryoso yung mga alaga mo naman. Pupunta sa mid.
Binurabog kaya ng galyo ni Mal. Dinabog niya yung mga manok kong puta na nanin.
Boom.
Puta, may minion! Tabi! Tabi!
You just see his breath trying to... Oh, crazy!
Pajit!
No, Josh, don't bring it back!
Daling ko na lang sa tor.
Kill her already, please!
Magle-Leandros Guys, I am slowly gaining more armor by
She's
the
here.
minute. Putang ina, niya naman nga.
7,500 health. I don't wanna be here. I don't wanna be
Bossing,
here.
boss.
Get me out.
No!
This is Trump's finest product. Shot can't do anything. I'm gonna die. Don't worry.
Sean, kill him, please! Why is this so tanky? Come back here.
Oh my
Wait, what
god.
does that
nerd.
You're not
Quick,
leaving.
habang wala pa yung team niya.
Quick.
Get him! Get him!
Kill him already.
Oh my
Yung
god!
last shot.
Oh my god, he's gonna come back with full HP!
What do you mean she's healing?
Sige, di sila makakadaan.
Saltak pa ang buhay. Burat daw, tol.
Bastos.
Eh, sabi niya.
Saan?
Ayun ang burat daw.
Yung paki ko.
Ang ina.
Hindi na siya imaginary later eh.
Ano mag-quit? Ano mag-quit? Wala, tol. Ano, stoic ako ngayon. Hindi ako mainis kahit ano sabihin niya.
So weak.
Stoic.
Ina yung tatay ni Hiccup.
Yan o. Nainis.
Tatay ni?
Hiccup.
Totoy.
Hiccup. Totoy.
Totoy ni
Sino si Nikap?
See how to train your dragon.
Hiccup.
Sinikap.
Si Toothless.
Oo, si
Oo,
Toothless.
Tignan mo. Hey, happy pride.
Saan makuha yan, Perds?
Binili ko 1 peso.
Eh, mahal.
1 blue SN.
Esen?
Yes.
1 peso tablo.
Siyempre, tol. Mag-isa lang eh. Hindi,
Sa bagay.
Hindi na ako kayo nag-iisip.
Sorry.
Tulog na ba si Josh?
I think so.
Back.
Let's get to work.
You're not Josh.
Gana, bangis na. Kami. Pagdat mo siya.
Ano ka ba?
Gana, aura farming.
Yan, nakantahil ako. Kulay ako. Pakapulay mo ni Mal.
Even if you don't watch them.
Okay, maglalol na ulit ako. Kagi maintenance. Fuck this shit. No, mamamatay ako. Fuck this shit.
Babaho yun, Jay. Huwag mo.
Mamamatay ako.
Why naman kasi nilalagay ni mo ang portal ng malayo sa'yo? Pwede mo naman i-conjure ng malapit. Utang na.
Hola Bells, may kwento a kiss-kiss.
Naku to lang bubuli.
I keep hearing the fucking rat mover. Oh no, that's my sister.
Get it, Venom, get it. Get it, Venom, get it.
Two military guys.
Ever been to Tennessee, Jarvis?
Creating a flight plan for Tennessee.
Are we still at Ding Dong? We're supposed to be on total security lockdown. Come on, I threatened a terrorist. Who is that?
There's only so much I can do, sir, when you give the world's press your